Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Rubery, which is in southwest Birmingham, right on the border with Bromsgrove. And over there we're looking at the Rose and Crown public house, or what's left of it. There's been a pub on that site since 1831. As you can see, it looks pretty derelict. Whether they're going to do anything with it, I doubt it. Pub's going to open now. It was residential planning permission. It's got turned down a few years ago. So it looks like we're waiting for some more planning permission to go through. About 17,000 people live in Rubery. It's 11,000 on the Birmingham side and 6,000 on the Bromsgrove side. It's two different councils. In this small area there, you got four barbers, two butchers, and numerous little independent shops. And co-op here. Main purpose is to view the RSJC bowling green. So it's accessed by this road next to the co-op. Now, just past these yellow barriers, it is ANPR, and you only get 2 hours. And if you don't leave within those 2 hours, you will get fined. Whereas in front of the shops, you can get 2 hours free. I'm not sure what the parking attendants are like, but there's the payments for this car park if you want to come and pay. And the green is just up in the corner of the car park. It's effectively behind these shops. I'm just going to take a walk in. I'm in the middle of a heat wave at the moment, so I'm expecting the green to be not so much green, but brown. Here we are. RSJC folded to Rubery. RSJC stands for Rubery Sheldon John Connolly. Welcome. Yeah, looks very brown, scorched. It's like concrete. You can see there the bowl rapidly passing the jack going to the ditch. Very, very big green. Very big green indeed. Clubhouse over there, and it's all fenced in. There's a park behind. So yeah, I think I'll leave it there. As always, if you are enjoying my content, please subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you on the next one.